Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by detangling and sectioning hair into 3 or 4 parts so the mask reaches evenly. This reduces tugging and breakage. Once done, warm about 1/4 cup of mask between your palms or use a 5/10 microwave burst to improve spreadability. Then, apply from midshaft to ends, not the roots, because concentrated oils at the scalp can weigh hair down. Make sure to work each section methodically. Press the product in with gentle strokes so every strand gets coverage. Once you've coated all sections, massage the product in gently for 2 to 3 minutes to increase absorption and stimulate circulation. This helps active ingredients penetrate. Next, cover with a shower cap or wrap a warm towel around your head for 15 to 30 minutes. Heat opens cuticles, so make sure to time it to your hair's porosity. When ready, rinse with lukewarm water until clear, and finish with a brief cool rinse to close the cuticle and lock in shine and smoothness. You finish by blot drying with a microfiber towel. Press, don't rub, to prevent frizz and breakage. Then style minimally. If hair still feels dry, apply a small amount of leave-in on the ends to restore slip and manageability. If your hair feels weighed down or looks greasy, clarify with one gentle shampoo and recondition only the ends because overwashing strips moisture. And one troubleshooting tip: if buildup persists, reduce mask frequency to once every 2 weeks and choose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.